Hi, I'm Aaron Chang. We're here tonight at Cardiff Reef. This is one of those special nights. I love being out when the weather's on. There's so many incredible clouds going off tonight, and I think we're going to get an incredible sunset because the horizon's clear, which is what you want, so that when the sun sets, the light will bounce off and come up underneath these clouds and hopefully light them up. I posted this picture on Facebook a while ago to get help with naming the prints, which I'm not very good at. And I was just overwhelmed with how many responses we got. We got over 800 people throwing out the most creative, interesting names I've ever heard. When you're out here and the weather's not perfect, these are the times when that magic happens in a photo. And it's really kind of a bigger metaphor for life in general. You know, you kind of weather these storms, and it's sometimes in those little valleys between the storms when you get glimmers of hope and beauty and color. And that's what we're looking for here tonight. And we ended up choosing Cardiff Royale that was submitted by Jude JD. And we really want to thank her. I love that name. It has a specialness tying a local name, Cardiff, to something grand and big like Royale. So that's the name of the new piece. I'm very proud to introduce my latest release, Cardiff Royale.